I'm Dr. Ellie Cannon. In this video we discuss how to start a good dental routine from early on. With me today we have three mums. Moria with 1-year-old Sophia, Rosemary with Daniel who's 1 and Joshua who's 8 years old, and Karen whose children are Jamie 2, Max 4 and Harry who's 8. Have you started brushing teeth yet for your little one?
We did. We started brushing gums in anticipation.
Great.
For when the teeth come. So at the moment,
what do you use for that then?
We just a tiny toothbrush, and I don't use any toothpaste or anything. Right. But I do worry about food and things getting caught in the teeth. And how much brushing, because it seems to give her a lot of discomfort to actually brush the teeth.
I mean, it's something that you just have to, you have to get used to. It becomes part of their routine, like having a bath or having their bedtime milk. Even at 8.5 months, she'll be having foods that may have natural sugars in, and that needs to be off the teeth before she goes to bed. So dental hygiene and toothbrushing should start as their teeth are coming through. Even milk has a lot of sugar in it, so we have to start brushing our teeth even when they're babies. Always try and avoid sugary food and start brushing your baby's teeth from the moment their milk teeth pop through. Do you already brush your little one's teeth?
Yeah, we call it loosely brushing teeth. It's more toothbrush wrestling.
Fair enough.
Because he just loves to suck it. He really wants to just suck. So while he's sucking, we just sort of pull a lot and try and I put a really small amount of baby toothpaste on the brush so that he's used to the taste. Because my eldest son, I used like a bubblegum type flavoured toothpaste, and when he was older, he didn't like minty flavours, and so it was quite tough because they don't make it for older children in the flavoured ones. So we started with mint, and he quite liked the taste.
A very good tip actually, because I think I've fallen into the bubblegum toothpaste trap. So that's very good. That's good to know actually. And Karen, with your boys, how have you found sort of starting the teeth brushing process?
Yeah, well, Jamie just wants to do anything his brothers are doing. So once they're all in the bath and they all get handed their toothbrush, so he'll give it a good go. The older one's got an electric toothbrush, so he'll give it a good go and for the right amount of time. So they're all copying.
That's good.
Helpful. I think it actually helps him with his teething. I think he actually likes to chew on the toothbrush. There's lots of chewing of it, as you say. Maybe not so much brushing, but it's very hard to force a child to clean it for them. It's very hard because I think they find it quite.
Yeah, I mean, obviously when they're the age of 8 months or so, of course you're doing it for them. But as they get older, it's important that they learn to do it themselves, and it can be a bit half and half anyway. You having a go to brush properly, and them more just playing with it. But the idea of copying his brothers obviously is a fantastic one because he wants to do what they're doing. Yeah. I think you should be watching what the kids are doing when they're brushing their teeth so that they're doing it properly. I think if you spoke to dentists and hygienists, you'd find they'd tell you actually that a lot of adults even don't brush their teeth properly. So I think the more we can be doing as parents to encourage our kids to brush their teeth, absolutely. And I'm certainly standing next to the bathroom sink when both of mine are brushing their teeth in the evening to make sure they're doing it properly, because it's so important. Because even if you're careful, your kids are having sugar in their diet, and some of the drinks they're having are not necessarily great for the teeth. So it's really, really, really important. And your dental hygiene is associated with the rest of your health, both when you're a child and when you're an adult. So it's fantastic to get into good practices. What about red cheeks?
Sophia's had really red cheeks,
Right.
And just furiously chewing anything that she can get hold of.
When he's in pain, he just wants to snuggle up and be close. And often he actually sucks his thumb, so